This video will show how to write an entire radical as a mixed radical in simplest form. And you can see we're using an index of 3 right here. So we're rewriting a cube root. Let's start by finding two numbers which multiply to give 375. You can choose any numbers you want, but I'm going to choose 5 times 75. Okay, let's continue to break down these numbers, and we want to create a row of prime numbers. So 75 I'm going to rewrite as 25 times 3, and 25 can still be rewritten lower. So I'm going to proceed to rewrite 25 as 5 times 5. Now, when you look, you'll notice that because we've got an index of 3 right here, I am looking for a triple, a number that could be rewritten as a cube. So when I rewrite my mixed radical, I have to make sure that I still keep my index of 3. So I've got a triplet right here, a triple of 5s. That goes on the outside of my radicand, and the number which remains gets written inside my radicand. Now let's look at another example. This number here, 432, we're still using an index of 3. So I want to find two numbers that multiply to give 432. I'm going to choose 144 times 3. So let's continue to break down 144. We know that it's 12 times 12. And of course, 12 is not a prime number, so we're going to rewrite it. And I'm going to use 4 times 3. And the same thing for the other one. And you could use 6 times 2 if you wanted. So 4 times 3, and I'll continue to bring this 3 down as well. Now, my final row is a row of prime factors. So I'm going to keep rewriting. My 4 is 2 times 2. I have a 3 that I need to bring down, and another 3. Now, in this question here, you'll notice now that you have more than one triplet. So I'm going to circle my groups of triples. So I've got a triplet of 3s. I have another triplet of 3s right here. And when I rewrite this, because I started with an index of 3, I need to keep my index of 3 next to my radicand. And I've got a triple of 2s, a triple of 3s. These get multiplied. So 2 times 3 outside here, I'm going to use a 6. There's a 2 remaining, and the remaining number is going to go underneath my radical sign. So I'm left with 6 root 2.